Is your CapCut draft project missing or disappeared on your iPhone? This usually happens due to app glitches, accidental deletion, or syncing issues with your account. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your missing CapCut drafts. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, don't delete or uninstall the app. Solution 1. Check the trash folder. First, open up the CapCut app, then make sure that you are logged in on CapCut. Then tap on Project tab below. Now here, tap Trash in the top. If the draft was manually deleted, CapCut keeps it in the trash for up to 7 days. If you found it, tap the 3 dots next to it, and then tap Restore. Solution 2. Check iCloud Drive. Open up the Files app on your iPhone, then select Browse below. Next, make sure to open iCloud Drive. Now tap on the search bar and search CapCut. If you see your missing draft is stored there, if not, follow the next solution. Solution 3. Check App Update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. This is how you can recover your missing CapCut drafts projects through your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.